Hello, I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. It's almost October, and that means that the inflatable toys and chlorine that you would normally find in the pool aisle have been replaced with trains, which is good for you and me, because I'm assuming if you're watching this video that you like toy trains. There are a few new things that I'd like to show you in this video, and a few old favorites that are returning to the main shelf towards the front of Menards. So, here they are.
Gas stations are a pretty common sight when you go for a drive, so it makes sense that Menards would offer a few different styles in a variety of names. Their latest one is decorated for Sunoco, and it comes with two 1950s era trucks. This gas station, is reasonably priced, especially after the 11% mail-in rebate, which you'll receive as an in-store credit towards a future purchase. It hooks me into coming back, so I guess it's a good marketing strategy. This coal loading station is another recent addition to the Menards lineup. I like the look of the wooden timbers and the steps. It's also cool how the track runs through the building. Menards incorporates this feature into a lot of their model structures, especially the bigger ones that tend to occupy a larger footprint on your layout. That's pretty clever thinking. The Lamont Lanes bowling alley is one that you'll want to display near the outer edge of your layout, and that's because of the interior. You'll want to be able to look through the glass roof to appreciate the moving LEDs and all the other details inside. If you want to see the Lamont Lanes bowling alley in greater detail, check out Mark's Lionel Trains on YouTube. He bought one of these for his layout, and his review is really good. I'll post a link in the description below. Most of Menards buildings seem to be set in the 1940s to early 1960s. Jimbo's gym is much more contemporary, and I think it's continuing the Menards trend of greater interior detail and even more LED lighting. No die-cast vehicles in this one, but lots of figures and workout equipment. Some of Menards' buildings, at least a few of their gas stations with specific brand names seem to be retired. But there are others, like the Gamer and Thrones model, that have been around for a long time. It must be selling well. It's supposed to be a supplier of bathroom fixtures, so there's a giant revolving toilet above the roof on one side. But what I really like is the action on the loading dock and how that's illuminated. Grandpa Jack's hobby shop has been around for a while too. I'm including it again in this video because my Menards store here in Loveland, Ohio, currently has a big selection of buildings on display, and they're powered up to showcase the lighting effects. One thing that I should mention is that the adapter to power these cool lighting effects is sold separately. So, make of that what you will. I have a lot of 1/43rd scale die-cast vehicles to go with my layout. Menards die-cast cars and trucks are all 1/48th scale. Technically, my cars are oversized for O scale, and the Menards ones are correct for these trains and buildings. After more than 5 decades worth of 1/43rd scale vehicles, I'm in too deep to switch over, but I'm still really attracted to Menards Fury Motors car dealership. This model is designed for customization. The tall vertical sign comes with a variety of car brand decals, or you could probably make your own. It's a little out of my price range for how I'd like to use it, because I'd remove their cars and trucks and fill that parking lot and showroom floor with 1/43rd scale Mercedes and BMWs. This actually makes me want to build a car dealership of my own, possibly from wood or plastic, so I think that might be a future project. The FedEx freight building is also not new, but this is one of the first times that I've ever looked at it very closely. The sliding door and door frames are not three-dimensional, they're just stickers. And the dock area, including the concrete and brick, well, those are also just printed graphics. From a distance, especially with the LED lights, it's a convincing effect. But up close, The forklift is also supposed to be moving, but this one is not. I don't know if that action has its own switch, or if this one is just broken. It's late September, and the other side of this aisle is full of Halloween merchandise. Here in the train section, there are still some empty shelves, so there may still be some new stuff in the future. I did take a peek at some of the product placement stickers, and it looks like there may be 2 new diesel units on the way. I can't say for sure that a powered and dummy set will fill these voids, but it seems like a distinct possibility. I go to Menards almost every week, and if I find anything new, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.